Minecraft Let's Play video. Today in this video we are going to be playing some Draw My Thing. So we're going to try our best. It looks like this is the Opera House map. We're going to be having one game and let's see how it goes. Right, Daft Davis is drawing. Okay. Wind. Oh! No, it's not water. What? What is that? Waste. Now this is going to be a challenge. When I'm drawing, I've got to leave toxic waste. I've got them right here. It's going to be amazing. What? It's going to be great. Sounds like my dad's playing with our dog outside. We've got a Rottweiler. All these empty packets. I'm going to be eating raspberry and red grape. What's that? God, these are hard. Oh, my screen recorder's, my face recorder stop thing. One. There we go, back on. Yeah. Looks like my screen recorder's about to stop as well. What's this? What is it? Is that meant to be a... What? Somebody's quit raiding. So I'm gonna quickly eat this toxic waste, put it in my mouth. Right now. Right, what have I got to draw? Skeleton. Right. Here we are. Let's draw the skull. Yeah, I'd rather sour. Not that hard to spell. Lol. Wee. Right. One toxic waste done. Oof. Not sour anymore. Oh! Horse riding. Yes! That's actually really good. Getting my next toxic waste ready. Yeah, what is it? I'm thinking Christmas. It can't be on decorations, but no. I'm guessing it's on to count the game. With no. Oh, too late. Darn. Don't even know what it is, but oh well. I know it's game, I think. Captain Zap one is drawing. Oh. This is probably going to be a bit of a boring video, but is it? Oh, Unique Squirrel 6 is drawing. What type of name is right. I'm not seeing anything. Thinking jellyfish, but it can't be. Yes! Spelt it right in the end. Ooh, I think we're drawing now. Nope, we're not. I think we'll be next. Ooh. Europe. B. C. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Yes! Woo! I think we're drawing now. Now let's have a toxic waste red grape. Fuck. Oh my. Oops. Green. There we go. More green. Lol. Tomato. Scarf. Oh, the scarf. Blech. Blech. Well, guys, I didn't get first, second, or third, but or at least we got a game. Now I'll see you all later in the next video. Bye.